We're going to tap on the Start Here file first. And this file is just a helpful file. It has the calendar reminder integration instructions, and it also has helpful videos that you can watch. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is set up the calendar reminder integration. I do have to mention that there is no sync between the planner and the calendar app. This is just a way to schedule events to the calendars app and reminders to the reminders app while planning in the planner. We want to make sure that we have these apps installed: Shortcuts, Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, Apple Reminders, the Shortcuts app, Apple Calendar. Reminders app should already be pre-installed on your iPad. The only app that's not pre-installed is the Google Calendar app. And if you would like to plan with the Google Calendar integration, you will have to download it from the App Store. And if you mistakenly deleted your apps that should have come pre-installed, you will have to re-download them from the App Store. Okay, now if you want to use Google Calendar, you'll go to the App Store, type in Google Calendar. It's right here, and mine says open because I already have it installed, but yours will say download, and you will download it. Tap the Files folder, and tap back on the Start Here file, and now we'll go to step 2, which is turning private sharing on. We want to make sure that private sharing is toggled on to green. So let's go to settings. Right here, scroll down. If you don't see shortcuts, you'll have to type it in into the search bar. Once you see it on the side, tap it. And over here, we want to make sure that it's green like this. If yours look like this, make sure you tap it to green. We're going to go back to the Start file, and now we're going to download the shortcut. So tap Download Shortcut, tap Open, and this is how the shortcut looks. Tap Setup Shortcut. The shortcut is going to ask you which note-taking app are you using. GoodNotes is already pre-filled, but if you're not using GoodNotes, you'll just tap GoodNotes, and then in the search bar, you'll type in the name of your note-taking app. For example, some people use Notability. It should pop up and you'll select it. Once you have your note-taking app picked, you'll tap Add to Shortcut, and then you can go right here to All Shortcuts, and we just want to make sure that the shortcut is added.